we can see a cross multiplier effect from this lead service line investment, replacing lead lines at a rapid pace, and then also employing the local residents that need it the most. I think also targeting the low income areas and the most marginalized areas within cities are extremely important.
Richard Diaz is celebrated as a member of the Hydro20 for his advocacy for water infrastructure that protects public health, creates local jobs, and ensures investment reach the communities that need them most. In cities like Milwaukee, Richard has fought to change the pace of replacement and direct resources where the health risks are greatest.
Milwaukee is documented as having close to 50% of all the lead lines across the state of Wisconsin, has only got 10% of the money. So it's caused incredible bottlenecks for us to be able to ramp up and accelerate the pace of replacement across our state and across our city. The city was smart in creating this block by block approach that targets the most disenfranchised and divested in communities that have some of the worst health outcomes, places where the median household income is, around or below $20,000 per year.
To succeed, Richard knows trust must be built at the local level. That's why he champions partnerships with community organizations as the face of outreach.
Nobody wants a door knock from a utility because they think you just owe them money or they're coming to shut something off. So much better for you to get a door knock from a community-based organization that you see year-round doing programming for different services that a community may need. So we see neighborhood associations being able to partner with utilities and go after resources to give those neighborhood-based organizations money to do that outreach.
Richard believes in using investment in water infrastructure to expand opportunities in skilled trade while also diversifying the talent pool.
We are beginning to ramp up the amount of lines replaced each year, and that ramp up will require a larger workforce. And what we see is the utility mandating that each contractor that is awarded a bid has to hire 40% of their workforce or have 40% of the work hours performed by people from certain disadvantaged zip codes. And with this equity program, there is a clause in which contractors have to have an apprentice for each skilled craft. So that's laborers, plumbers, and operating engineers. And the laborers have been incredibly well at hiring diverse candidates and getting diverse apprentices. In fact, most of their apprentices are women and people of color. And now we see the plumbers and the operators having the opportunity through lead service line replacement to diversify their talent pool.
The result is a model for lead service line replacement that protects families from exposure, creates career pathways, and brings federal funding to the neighborhoods that need it most.
We see the collaboration of community-based organizations and labor unions working with the utility and the mayor's office.
Richard Diaz is honored as a member of the Hydro20.